what's the difference between the Profab headers and the Schoenfeld headers? Now I'm trying to look at his profile picture, but there's people in Victory Lane. I don't know what kind of car he has.
It depends on the application, honestly.
Yeah.
I mean, the late model wise, I mean, to me, there's no comparison. I mean, the Profab is the best thing out there. I promote them like crazy. I sell them like crazy, or try to, because if everybody wants the best of the best, that's what I prefer. Street stock wise and everything else, I mean, the Profabs are better. Yeah. I mean, we're talking guys who build headers for NASCAR and Indy cars and everything else. So, yeah, it's the best of the best, but do you need the best of the best is where I always go with people.
Where are you racing?
Where are you racing against?
What are your conditions?
What are your conditions? Stuff like that. Mm-hmm. And that being said, I mean, I know Doug Schoenfeld personally, all that stuff. My dad was friends with him. Great guy, great freaking company. Probably like one of the freaking OG damn header manufacturers out there who
not only that
could produce stuff for everyone in every application.
And in a very timely manner.
Matter of fact, I think you told a story last week, maybe that, he was the only one you can get headers for a customer in a reasonable amount of time. So yeah, I've got no problem with that,
Well, I mean, and having headers is just, I try to tell people, like, I know it's the last thing you put on your car, but don't wait for that to be the last thing you order.
Yeah.
Because they're so big, and as a retailer, they're an investment in both money and space.
Mm-hmm.
And so, and there's so many different varieties, it's hard to have all of them.
Right.
And so, get on that earlier rather than later.
Mm-hmm.